Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a Pong game, except for it's going to be like different colors, so sort of like this. So click create. You don't have to do the color effects, so I'm going to do that at the end, so you don't have to do it. So we're going to make the paddle. There's a paddle like this. And then we're going to make it go down here. So when green flag clicked, go to that thing. Well, where it is. Forever. We're going to set X and set Y to mouse X and mouse Y. So like this. Wait, just mouse X, so like this. And then save now. And then we're going to do the ball called, ball, so make it smaller. I'm gonna do 80. So when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0. So like this. And then forever, if on edge bounce, move 10 steps like this. But you want it to like point a direction, so point in direction, pick random, -45 to 45. So like this. But then you want it to bounce on the paddle, so duplicate this. So get rid of this. Forever. If touching, so take it out. If touching paddle, so like this. It'll bounce when touching the paddle. And now we're gonna do a background. So search background. I think I'll do so you want a plain color, so like blue sky too. So when green flag click, forever, go to looks, change color effect by 25. So like that. I think I'll do a weight so it doesn't sort of blind you. So maybe 0.3 seconds, so it changes color now. Now you want the sprites to change color, so forever, change color effect by 25, so down here. And the wait 0.3 seconds, so like this. Well, you should do another forever, so when green flag clicks, so now it moves more swiftly. Now we need to do that with the paddle, so when green flag clicks, forever, and take out a wait 0.3 seconds, looks, change color effect by 25. So now it just changes color. And then I think we'll make a sound when touching paddle in the ball, so get a sound like boing. And go to code sound. Start sound boing until done. Well, not until done. So when touching paddle, it goes boing. So there. So we're gonna go to the C project page. I'm gonna call it how about glowing Pong? Because I already have another game called Neon Pong, so I don't want to use the same name. So instructions: move your paddle to move your mouse. Also, there's one other thing, so make the ball do game over. Paint a sprite called, well, you don't have to do anything. So set size to 30, but you can make it anything. I'm gonna do red, hold down shift to make it straight, move it down here. So when the ball touches this thing, it'll be game over. So move it down. Okay, so when green flag clicked, go to there. And go back to ball. So when green flag click, duplicate this. Forever if touching the sprite one, the red line, then we're gonna broadcast a message called game over. And then we're gonna paint a new sprite called game over. So text, I'm gonna do maybe black. So I'm gonna do Sarif. Game over. Make it bigger. Make it a bit bigger again. And then I'm gonna move it here. When green flag clicks, looks, hide. And then you want to go to motion and do the go to where it is. And when I receive game over, looks, show, control, stop all. Done. So now it's like this. I'm gonna make it touch the red line. Game over. So save now. If touching the red line, it's game over. And then have fun. If you've seen my other video, you know that, well, I just do the have fun in the face at the end. So I'm gonna love it and share. And that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Please make this game, subscribe to my channel, and like this video. So until next time.